Hello guys, so welcome back to another vlog. Today is a very special day and it's Janmashtami. So happy Janmashtami to all. The weather has been pretty cold today and it was kind of raining the entire day, so I did not got the opportunity to come during the daytime. And now finally the rain has slowed down, so I got the opportunity to visit the ISKCON temple. The biggest ISKCON temple in Bangalore is located in Rajaji Nagar. But that is little far from my place and it's pretty late in the evening, so I did not plan to visit there and I came to the nearest location. This ISKCON temple is located in HBR location, which is going towards Lingarajpuram in that location. So I finally got this opportunity to get the blessings of Sri Krishna ji. So let's go ahead and take these blessings. There are 3-4 temples in this area. However, let's pay a visit to Sri Krishna ji and take his blessings first, and then if possible, if we get the chance, we'll go ahead and check the other temples as well. So it's time to remove our footwears and continue our journey ahead barefoot. Small advice guys, it's always best to wear slippers while visiting temples. Let me show you the in and outs, the surroundings and the crowd in here. Not so much of lights, however it's nice to be in this place. Everyone chanting Hare Krishna, so it feels pretty good. You can hear it in the background as well. The people are chanting Hare Krishna, and the sound is getting louder. I think so, inching closer to the temple. A big Krishna ji statue is made here just at the entrance, and you can see a small cute Krishna ji. This looks like a small garden, so many pots, different varieties of plants they have kept. It's wonderful, full of oxygen. Feels great here. This looks like the entrance and many people are waiting around to enter the temple.
स्नेह ब्लॉग में आपका स्वागत है। हैप्पी कृष्णा जन्माष्टमी। तो आज कृष्णा जी का जन्मदिन है, तो आज आगे चल के ब्लेसिंग्स देते हैं कृष्णा जी का। जय श्री कृष्णा। चलिए जुड़े रहिए इस ब्लॉग में।
चलिए गाइस, चलते हैं अंदर टेम्पल के। बहुत लाइन लगा हुआ है तो शायद थोड़ा समय लग जाए। मेन एंट्रेंस के अंदर आ गए गाइस और श्री कृष्ण जी का मूर्ति देख पा रहे हैं, हल्का सा झलक है। चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं और पास जाके श्री कृष्ण जी का आशीर्वाद लिया जाए। चलिए गाइस आगे बढ़ते हैं। सो गाइस, कृष्ण जी का दर्शन हो गए और आप भी दर्शन कर लीजिए। यहाँ ज़्यादा समय रुकने नहीं दे रहे और अभी पता चला है कि ऊपर भी फ्लोर है एक, वहाँ भी जाके दर्शन कर सकते हैं। तो चलिए गाइस आगे बढ़ते हैं। ये दूसरा फ्लोर है गाइस, पर यहाँ पर मोबाइल कैमराज अलाउ नहीं कर रहे। थोड़ा आगे जाके फिर देखते हैं, दर्शन किया जाए। थोड़ा जूम करके दिखाने की कोशिश करता हूँ। सेकेंड फ्लोर का भी दर्शन हो गया गाइस। चलिए अब आगे बढ़ते हैं, देखते हैं और क्या है बाहर। आप भी इस सुंदरता का आनंद लीजिए। बाहर आ गए गाइस। यहाँ फुल पॉजिटिव फीलिंग आ रहा है, बहुत अच्छे से मेंटेन किया गया है। सो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। और आगे भी एक और छोटा सा श्री कृष्ण जी का मंदिर है। चलिए गाइस आगे बढ़ते हैं और लास्ट वाले श्री कृष्ण जी का मूर्ति भी देख लिया जाए। कृष्णा जी का नंद गोपाल को भी देख पा रहा हूँ। चलिए आगे चल के आशीर्वाद ले लिया जाए नंदी जी का भी। So finally we have reached to the back side of this temple, and this is the last temple around in this ISKCON temple. So let's go ahead and pay a visit. Some kind of ritual going on. यहाँ पर वजन अनुसार एक बच्चे का अन्नदान किया जा रहा है. So some kind of groceries and rituals they are giving to the temple according to the weight of the kid. Some ritual, guys. This is the last temple, guys, inside ISKCON, and so let's take our final blessings. You can also do your prayers. So finally darshanam done, guys, and we have taken the blessings of Shri Krishna ji. Now let's move towards the exit and have some prasadam. Little surprising to see here, this is not the prasadam area. Basically this is like a food court and they are selling everything. Pani puri, even momos are available here. So I had expected to eat some nice prasadam post darshanam, but I'm not sure we'll get something like that. Nevertheless, however, I had to buy my own prasadam. So finally darshanam done, guys. I hope you enjoyed this Janmashtami vlog. Do plan and visit, guys. It's definitely a beautiful place, and there are more temples in this place. The Sai Baba temple and 2-3 more other temples are here. In case you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. This helps me to stay motivated and make more such videos. So do like, share, subscribe to my channel, guys, and do share your thoughts in the comment box. Thank you for joining me in this Janmashtami festival, guys. So meet you in another vlog. Take care of yourself, guys, and once again, happy Janmashtami to all.